From the following acids, write the conjugate base. So anytime you're given an acid and you're asked to produce the conjugate base, really all you need to do is deprotonate it. Just remove a hydrogen, okay? So like, look at problem A here, we have nitric acid. We just want to chop off that hydrogen ion there. So we're left with the conjugate base, which is the nitrate ion. What about this one? It's kind of a carbonic acid ion, or it was carbonic acid at one point probably. So if we take off this additional hydrogen, we're left with carbonate, which now has a -2 charge. Don't forget about the charges there. Here we have hydrocyanic acid, and if we remove that hydrogen and deprotonate it, we're just left with cyanide ion. And then what about this guy here? C2H5OH, kind of ethanol is what we're looking at here probably. So